how to add normalize effect to your voice audio on Audacity easy and fast. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add normalize effect easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity and now select your voice audio like this and click on effect and go down to normalize, and here you can normalize. As you can see, you can manage it from here easy and fast. You can also remove DC offset or you can leave it, and you can normalize stereo channels if you want, and after you finish click OK. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.